We're trying to address some of the water quality and the water quantity problems in Silverstream. And what we're trying to do is really see how much clean water we can get into the grounds. The bigger picture behind it was we know that we want to get nitrate down to a certain level in Silverstream. And so what we didn't know was how many kind of trenches like this, or how much infiltration area we would need in order to get enough water in the ground to try and solve some of those nitrate problems.
We've got about 220 odd kilometres of specified irrigation races, but there's about 1,500 kilometres of water races in general across the area. We recognise our farmers have a land use, and that land use has impacts, so whether we can make any sort of contribution to mitigating those impacts and improving the water quality, we're all for that. So, the issue is really the Silverstream is the canary in the cage at the minute. We're trying to do as much as we can to try and fix that problem.
The results are showing, answering the first question really that we came out here to answer, which is how much water can we get into the ground, and we know we can get at least 80 litres a second into this trench. So now that we've got that answer, we're starting to think about, well, where to next? How many of these trenches do we need to solve the Silverstream nitrate problem and to bump up groundwater levels a little bit? We've also been gathering information about cost. If we take this forwards to a broader solution to manage nitrate in this area, we'll be able to work out how much money is going to need to be spent, which is really important. The other side of this is running it over the irrigation season, and when there's spare water available that's not being used for irrigation, put it down this trench, and by gathering information on the flows over the season, we'll be able to see, okay, well, if we just do these things just when water's available, how much water do we actually get into the ground? Is that going to work, or are we going to need to do something kind of more dedicated in terms of infrastructure?